Hey guys, Rob and Melissa here with Flea Market Flippers.
Hey!
Guys, thanks for jumping on here. We are super stoked. We are starting a 6-week workshop tomorrow night, and we want to let you guys know about it. So,
Geared towards furniture flippers, so...
Yep, we know furniture flippers, they do some awesome stuff, some repurposing, transformations of furniture. We see them, and then you guys don't make enough money on that stuff because you're doing such an awesome job, but you're limited to your local market. We want to help you guys offer that to a larger market, more people that can appreciate your furniture, and then we want to be able to teach you guys how to ship that stuff.
Ship it across the United States.
That's it,
So,
anywhere.
and it's not as hard as you think it is.
Yeah.
So if you can move that furniture to your house to paint it, then you can totally ship it.
Heck yeah, you
So-
don't got to have a forklift. All you got to have is a dolly, just the same thing you need to move the furniture. And if you don't use a dolly, if they're in tables, whatever they are, you can still put them on a pallet, pick it up yourself, put it on the trailer or the back of your truck. So it is so easy to do. We want to show you guys what companies we use, how we freight, we package stuff on pallets, how we get it ready for shipping, how we do insurance, all that good stuff. We want to show you guys what you need to do to be able to ship large items.
And the workshop starts tomorrow night.
Tomorrow!
So January 15th, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. All the details are in the link below.
Yep.
So if you guys want to check it out, if you're a furniture flipper, or even if you're somebody who just wants to get into large item or freight shipping.
That's
then-
how we make our money is
Yeah.
large stuff. We don't necessarily do
So-
the furniture repurposing. Melissa dabbles in it a little bit, but
Just for fun.
we ship some big stuff, and that's what we want to teach you guys how to do. So,
Yep.
and the other thing is, if you guys cannot make it to tomorrow night or any of the other 6 weeks that we're doing, don't worry about it. We're recording it. We're going to email it out the next day. If you guys miss it for some reason, you got some other kind of family commitment going on, we still will get you guys the videos, so you're not going to miss out on it. And then you can email us questions if you're not going to make it.
And we have a Facebook group for it too.
That's
so.
it. So you can jump in there and interact with everybody. So super stoked about this, guys. Can't wait to see you guys there. Check out the link below. We'll talk to you soon.
See ya.
See ya!